$5.3 billion by 2031. That's where organic modified ceramics, Ormocer, are headed, up from $2.08 billion in 2024. We're talking a 14.6% CAGR, rocket fuel for an advanced materials market. Here's the quick map. By type, coated Ormocer owns the biggest slice today. Coatings on medical devices, optics, tough industrial surfaces. Why? Durability, scratch resistance, chemical stability. But the fastest climber is block material. Structural uses, dental uses where strength and precision matter. Dental restorative materials. The poster child, biocompatible, built to last. By application, medical leads. Dental restorations, implants, advanced medical coatings, biocompatibility, and resistance to degradation. Meanwhile, the chemical industry is the speedster, corrosion-resistant coatings, high-performance coatings, specialty formulations for harsh environments. Who's competing? Voco GmbH, Catalent Inc., Adare Pharma Solutions, Asahi Kasei, Kaneka, Eurogentech, Biosynth, Carbosynth, Chemcon, GmbH, Borsodchem, Daikin Chemical Europe, Virupaksha, Organics. Scaling with custom formulations and regional plays. Geography check. Europe dominates. Deep research base, mature chemical industry, high adoption in med and industrial. North America is sizable. Healthcare infrastructure, high performance needs. Asia Pacific is the fastest growing. Industrialization, booming healthcare. China, Japan, South Korea, India. Southeast Asia rising. Latin America rising. Middle East and Africa adds optionality and diversification. Bottom line, hybrid material innovation, expanding use cases, strong regional momentum point to sustained double-digit growth through 2031. If you're evaluating advanced coatings or dental materials, Ormocer just moved to the top of the shortlist.